Welcome back. We can use plantain peel to treat something like this simple one, diabetes. Right? Diabetes, you can use plantain peel to treat people with diabetes. You can use plantain peel to treat people with ulcer, peptic ulcer. Plantain peel can help you. So using plantain peel in treating conditions like diabetes, you're going to learn it today and how to use it for ulcer. My name is Dr. Anobel. Like, follow and share our videos and leave your comments so that we can respond to some of your comments and we can know what we are doing, if it's helping you or not. But I want you to like our video and follow our platform or our page so that anything that you put here, you can get updates on it. Yeah, using plantain peel for diabetes. Plantain peel can be natural insulin, so take it before meal. Boil it, 1 disposable cup in the morning, 1 disposable cup in the evening. Depending, before you eat, depending on the sugar level, is very good for you. Right, take it before meal. But people who are using to treat a peptic ulcer, take it after meal. Boil it after meal, 30 minutes or 1 hour after meal. You can take plantain peel, water, 1 disposable cup. Is going to help you twice in a day. It's good, and you'll be free from diabetes. You are going to be free from peptic ulcer. Thank you very much.